ordered a new frame. So anyway, about 4 years ago I did a video on fixing a bumper cover and painting. It's like a 2003-ish Mustang front bumper cover. And I gotta do it again. But for some reason they want to add this GT hood scoop, and they want to change the side scoops to these ones, which I have some, but they're the different style. Apparently these ones look better. No idea. So I gotta paint those scoops, the hood scoop. I gotta fix the front bumper cover again, and maybe fix the fender and paint it. But I didn't want them to bring the car. I figured I'd paint these scoops ahead of time, get them done, then bring the car, then do the bumper and whatever. So yeah, I'm just gonna, it's got some family clear coat. I'm just gonna DA this down with some 500. Probably good, ready for base. I sanded the scoops with 500. And I'll just base over those after I finish scuffing them, the edges and stuff. So yeah. Good stuff. 500. Where the clear coat had failed was UV damage. I just sanded it back, feathered it back until you got rid of the, you know, white milky clear look, and then I'll just spray a little poof can primer over that and scuff it. So now I just gotta scuff the edges of this with Scotch-Brite, get this stupid grill piece out of there, and spot some primer over that. I'm just going to use some whatever I can find in here. Let's see what we got here. We're going to go with the self-etching primer. That always seems to work good. So we'll do that. Okay, this black grill piece, it's got these stupid metal washer things that push over the plastic pegs to lock it on. So I'm just going to leave that on there, mask it off. It'll be fine. Red Scotch-Brite. Scuff all the edges. All this stuff here. You get the idea. Alright, so it's all sanded at 500. You want to make sure to remove all the white failed clear coat. And I decided I'm going to skip the primer and just put base over this. And if it wrinkles up on the edges here, or it might, I'll just scuff it back down. Keep dusting it on until it doesn't. So that's ready to paint. I don't feel like it. You gotta cut back costs on these economy jobs. They want them done for nothing. You gotta use nothing to do them. That's the way it goes. So just gotta finish scuffing the edges of these with Scotch-Brite, and these 3 pieces will be ready for base. Alright, 3 pieces ready for paint. The only thing I will do is spray a little bulldog on this right here because I went to plastic. Other than that, base coat, clear coat, done coat. I hate Bulldog in the aerosol can because it sprays out like super textury. But if you buy this in the quart or the gallon and put it in the paint gun, it works much better. that'll be good enough. So I painted this stuff yesterday. I didn't film it because I was in a hurry, so I had to hurry up and get it done. And I didn't clean nothing. Just wiped them off. I stood over there by the window with the fan and sprayed them. So there's plenty of dirt in them. But I'll buff them real quick and whatever. They'll be the nicest part on the car. So yeah. Probably hit them with some 2000. I don't know if they're dry yet or not. It's pretty cold here. Seems dry enough. 50 degrees. And that's that. So the clear I used, which isn't the greatest, but it looks decent and it dries fast. And there you have it. Sanded with 2000. Took about 30 seconds to sand this one. Could go over it with 3000 to make buffing easier. We'll see how easy it buffs. I'll try without first. Do you care how long it takes to sand this? Probably not. Am I going to show you? Yes, I am. First we have to look out the window to see what the crackheads are doing in the neighborhood. I know why they're in the neighborhood, it's because they live in there. But I think they're rearranging the trash in their yard. It's got some 2000 grit on one of the soft McGuire's sanding pads. Got my bottled water because I don't have any water out here. Need to run a water line down here. So whenever I have spare water bottles laying around, I just take them inside and fill them up and bring them out here. And I think I got like 10 of them over there. Just poke a hole in the top with a scribe. They actually work really well for wet sanding. I do the same thing at work. So quick sand. We'll see how much we missed here when we dry it off. Make sure to use a wet towel when you dry it off so it doesn't do anything but move the water around. And this would dry up. We'd see what we missed. Pretty good. Got a chunk right here on the edge. I'll go over a little bit. Maybe a little bit right there. And this one's ready to go. Hear a scratchy sound? That means dirt's in your sandpaper. Could be from when you set the block down on the table, or it could be the dirt you're sanding out of the paint, coming loose and getting caught in the sandpaper. Either way, you want to rinse your sandpaper off. This has a little bit of dirt on this edge. I might sand that out. I don't want to. Alright, you talked me into it. This is the problem. When you're doing something for cheap, you know, really, for what I'm charging, or what I'm getting paid, buddy deal, I shouldn't buff him at all. And honestly, he'd probably be fine with that. He probably doesn't care, but I can't let it go like that, even if I was doing it for free. There, that's better. That didn't take very much time. Alright, now I got the hood scoop. Do that. No need for you to be watching that. Same thing as I did on those other two pieces. I lied once again. I'm gonna use this old piece of 3000. Go over the scoop. Let's make it so much easier to buff, but might as well. Got all the dirt knocked down. Might be a few little spots where it's not completely sanded out, but knocked down good enough. I'm gonna try buffing it with the old mini buffer. See how she goes. That way I don't have to figure out a way to hold down the scoop. If it takes too long, I'll have to get the real buffer out. Done.